welcome to the show, the CryptoSingh show. So the quick update on what's happening with the BTC market, with the war news, and there's so much going on. Well, my thought on what the scenario is right now. Well, I think Russia is benefiting, will benefit from this war because the oil prices are up, the gold prices are up, and they are the biggest exporters of oil. They hold a lot of gold, and eventually I think it would benefit Russia in a big way. But also these wars, they really make me think that isn't Bitcoin for us. I mean, if tomorrow there are people who made their properties all their life, who made their assets all their life, they can't run away with gold. They can't leave Ukraine and run with gold. They can't leave their properties, and they can't take the properties with them. They can't take the gold with them. They have to leave those things there and then run. And doesn't it make us think? And I think I get even more bullish on Bitcoin. Isn't it something that, if tomorrow something happens, you have Bitcoin with you, you have digital gold with you. You could just go anywhere in the world. So these wars even make me more bullish on Bitcoin or all these things. And I really believe that it's an asset, it's a digital asset that we all have, which till date there is no other asset like this. So Afghanistan, we saw what has happened with Ukraine, so all of these countries where all of these uncertainties are there, they can't do anything with their physical assets. And what do you do? How do you travel with your property? All your life, what you've done is you've made your property, you made you made those assets there. And now what has happened? Suddenly Russia comes one night and they destroy everything that you had made all your life. Well, I really think that there should not be any war. I am completely against any war because in the name of humanity, one should obviously stop, and there should be a peace treaty, and it's like one world, free world, and everyone should just live with peace and harmony. And I really don't think that war is the solution to anything, and war will never be a solution to all these things. But I'm just saying, this makes me even bullish on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is something you don't need to carry it with you. It's not a physical thing, it's a digital gold. So you could go anywhere and use Bitcoin. So that's my opinion on the markets, and I personally do see markets coming down a bit. There would be slight pumps here and there. And I've been telling everyone to DCA in, and I've been telling everyone to buy in around 36, 37, 35,000. And whenever the markets have gone to those places, they've all pumped back. So even 30,000 would be a very strong level. As soon as markets go to 30,000, I do see a big pump coming that our way. But right now I'm slightly bearish, and we'll see that in the charts. Before we jump into the charts, please do like, share, subscribe, and share it with as many people as you can. We're getting you these news and charts which have been very accurate. So let's jump into the charts and see what's happening with the markets right now. So let me just pull up the charts, and okay, so we have this ADA chart. Now ADA, look where we are today. Past 6 days we've been warning all our ADA buyers that don't buy ADA. See what I said about 6 days back, that what's happening with the market could also be a red alert, because if the Fed increases the prices, before the Fed could, we had a war, but on the charts it was showing that it's a bearish pattern, and I had warned everyone at that time. If Fed increases the rates, then you're going to see a lot of panic selling in the market. So as they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. So you know what, just see, this is exactly what I meant. So yesterday when the panic happened, the war came in, see the levels, we went to 34,000. Within a day we jumped around 15%, 10%, 12%, in some 20% within a day. If you even would have bought something day before, you would have just jumped 10 or 12% up. So that's what I always say, that you gotta buy the panic always. Buy it, and when the news comes,
just drop it down. So if there's panic selling, buy. Because if you're a long-term investor, see the bigger picture. The bigger picture definitely suggests you could start doing DCA in dollar cost averaging into it.
So we've been telling you to do this, and in this trade we alerted you that ADA would come down. In this video we've told you that ADA would come down, and be aware about ADA. You can check on our Telegram group that ADA was very bearish at that time, and for now we're still bearish on ADA, and I personally think we could come down to 0.7. So ADA I'm really bearish on. And talking about Bitcoin, well, let's jump into the chart for Bitcoin. So here is the chart for Bitcoin. Now, well, you see Bitcoin again, let me just zoom out a bit. What's happening over here? So right now we're slightly range bound, and we'll only be bullish if we are around 37,500. We're above that, then we'll be slightly bullish. But that also I think majorly will be bullish around 39,000. It should break 3940 to be really bullish. So right now what I personally feel is 37,500 is a bearish scenario. Actually I just quoted that as bullish. It's a bearish scenario. We're bullish above 39,000. Below 37,500 we're very bearish, because on a day pattern again I see a M pattern being formed again, and I definitely see bearishness in this. So I don't know how bullish we would be right now, but I personally believe that we are bearish right now, and I see the M pattern being formed, and even a slight, if we don't hold 37,500, 36,000 will be very quick, and then 33,000 would be very quick. So I'm slightly bearish still on a day chart. I don't think it's very bullish, but I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, and you please do your own research, and you could take your call. Anything could happen, but I am still bearish, and I would still think that there is some room left in the market for it to come down, and that's what is happening. And let's see what's happening with the Ethereum charts now. So Ethereum, what's happening right now, as I spoke in my last videos, again if you see we're doing a perfect M here. It's a perfect M again. So again, I mean, all of these charts are showing me bearishness right now, and Ethereum I am bearish till say about 2200, 2300 we would be bearish on Ethereum. So I mean, it's somewhere that I'm still bearish, but in case Bitcoin jumps up, because if we break 39,000 we would see 41,500 very quick also. So if there is a lot of buying that comes in, then we could see a jump in the Bitcoin prices. But I would still be on a safer side right now and take the call as for me this is like a no trading zone right now. So it's very difficult to say what's going to happen, but looking the entire overall scenario, what's happening with the markets, I think we're on a bearish side, and Russia, if it stops its war or something, we might see a bit of pump coming in, but we might see a big dump also after this. So I'm not really bullish right now. Where I'll only be bullish if we cross 39,500 or 40,000. That is when I will be highly bullish, and if it holds there. So let's see. For now I think on the charts we are forming the M pattern, where the global scenario, taking everything into consideration, we're slightly bearish. But you also have to consider, I mean, yesterday we went down quite a bit and we've recovered about 10 to 12%. So I think we might just get a slight bit of pullback as well right now. So these are my analysis for today. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and do share, like, subscribe again, and share it with as many people as you can. And I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh. Bye bye.